Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how a Alka seltzer rocket works, different ways to make it, and also how I made it. Stay tuned to the end and have some fun. A few days ago, I saw a video from the King of Random in which they made some little rockets by using some Alka seltzer tablets. But in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the rockets without using the Alka seltzer tablets. For this experiment, you need some baking soda, citric acid, water, and a film canister. This is not a film canister, but it is better to use a film canister. First, I took some baking soda, added some citric acid, and water. And it didn't work as I hoped. And I tried it again, hoping that it would work. But as you notice, it didn't work. The problem with these things are they are so fast. To solve this problem, I used some common item cornstarch. To add the baking soda with the cornstarch, what I did is first I took some baking soda, added some cornstarch. I mixed this both in a ratio of 20% of cornstarch and 80% of baking soda, which I can increase later if I want. And the next thing I need to do is to test the mixture of sodium bicarbonate and the cornstarch. So I added the mixture of the sodium bicarbonate and cornstarch, added some water, and the citric acid was already in the canister. So I hope that it worked and I gave it a go. But it didn't work. It didn't slow down a little. After that, I tried the same thing but with adding some more cornstarch to the mixture. This time I added 30% of cornstarch and 70% of the baking soda. It did not work. And I tried the same thing with some more cornstarch, which is around 45% of cornstarch and the remaining of the baking soda, and it did not work. But when I googled the ingredients of the Alka seltzer, I saw that the Alka seltzer was heat treated, and I conducted the experiments with the heat treated Alka seltzer. By using the heat treated baking soda and some more cornstarch, it actually, but if you add more cornstarch than needed, not much, but still, if you have more starch than needed, it will slow down a little bit more and also don't go much high like this one. And the white powder you are seeing is just some unreacted cornstarch. At this point, you may think how this thing works. So basically what happens is when we add water plus citric acid plus baking soda, it releases the carbon dioxide gas and it builds pressure in the canister and it pops out from the cap and releasing us the Alka seltzer rocket. But if you add too little amount of cornstarch and baking soda, they won't slow down and don't go much height like this one. But if you add those both in a very good ratio with good citric acid ratio, they'll slow down a lot and also they'll launch very good, just like this one. But if you add too much of cornstarch to the baking soda and less citric acid, your rocket doesn't even take off. So you shouldn't add much cornstarch to your rocket. And some are just lame. And they tried the same thing with lemons, because why not? They are also a source of citric acid. And the next thing I did is extracted some of the lemon juice from the lemons and tested it. And they kind of worked. Actually, they worked pretty well. And I tested them again, added some of the lemon juice, and the sodium bicarbonate was already in the cap, and I got some pretty good results from this. Yeah, you can use lemon juice too. And you can also try this experiment with even Eno. Yeah, that antacid. And in the first try, it didn't work at all because of my negligence. And in the second trial, with some quick hacks, I got it to work. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.